IIoT, AIoT. अब तक हम पढ़ रहे थे IoT. आई थिंक आप काफी सारी चीजें समझ गए होंगे IoT के बारे में. इफ यू हैव एनी काइंड ऑफ डाउट एंड क्वेश्चन रिगार्डिंग द IoT, you can ask me. And I can't see your hands if you raise. So that's why it is better if you can speak directly. So uh, let's discuss the difference between it is all the fields IoT, AIoT, and IoT. It is we can say IIoT and AIoT is a subdomain of IoT. But what is difference between these? IIoT means industrial Internet of Things. It is dedicated to automate the industrial kind of things, as we discussed in examples, industrial IoT. So it is the dedicated for the industries, for the manufacturing, for the business. That's why we called it industrial IoT. And AIoT is a combination of artificial intelligence and IoT. जैसे कि मैंने आपको स्टार्टिंग में प्रोजेक्ट के बारे में बताया था, जहाँ पे एक प्रोजेक्ट जो मैंने बनाया है, जो कि दैट इज कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ AI एंड IoT. उस प्रोजेक्ट में we are using AI to detect the truck, that particular vehicle truck, and the speed of the truck used through the camera. And after that, after using that AI model detection of truck, we will take some action according to the detection of truck, like this truck direction of the truck, speed of the trucks, and detection it is coming or not. We will take some actions through the embedded system. We'll send data to another device through the IoT, and that embedded system control traffic lights and toll gate to open or close. So this all system is a combination of AI with IoT, where AI detect the object and inform to the IoT devices. So this is the little bit difference between these three fields.